Welcome down to Chessington World of Adventures. It's our first trip as free. Look, go to shush foot. It's going to be quite confusing for people because we've still got some vlogs to go up where Cody's got a knackered foot. However, he's back to normal. So this is a construction vlog from the park today. We're just showing you obviously the capybara windows which have been put in, finally been put in, and we're going to head round and show you the fact that Seastorm opened yesterday, and we'll be getting on Seastorm today, showing you that in motion, and of course the rest of that area. Then of course, Kurt, we'll head over to 2023 Project Amazon and show you there. So first, let's head down to Seastorm. Yep. This way. Seastorm, of course, open, and we can see some green lights in the middle to highlight it at night when it starts. Show a close-up of those shortly, and that looks like the new sign we can expect over the other side. Certainly a little bit more rough and ready than the last one. So Seastorm is back open for 2022 finally. It's the second day of operation. We've just been on it. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it's
slower, I think.
It does feel a bit slower, and the ride cycle seems a lot shorter. So as it kind of starts, one set of the odd numbers, even numbers turn, and then the other one join it, and then as it turns back, it used to go for a little bit first, give you a little bit more of a ride cycle, but now it does just stop.
But it is not officially open.
But it's not officially open yet. It's going to open with the rest of this area. As you can see, this is an area we've not been able to walk in for a while. And we will get some shots now of what's going on behind here with the barrel ride, and of course the tugboat, which is due to open probably 2 to 3 weeks time when this area all comes together. As you can see, the signage for Seastorm isn't fully up yet. It's not finished painting. They've not really finished doing this area, but it's great to have another ride back open at the park. So Seastorm back open. Let's show you the rest of it. So here's the back of the tugboat. You can see that trees have gone in here. This is the Wild Woods side, which means the Pirates Cove or Shipwreck Coast will be completely detached from the rest of the area, which is lovely. Lovely to have the areas detached a little bit more. The area is coming together really well. Look at the decoration on the front of the building now. We were wondering what they were going to do with the building, but it does look like it's going to be home to some surprises, shall we say. The entrance to the tugboat there, with beautiful mermaid on top of the rock. The rock has indeed been moved, I think, slightly since we were last in. It looks a little bit more added in. And of course the barrel ride down the back we'll try and get some close-ups of shortly. So we can see the theming on the side here. We've got the gold for sail, looking really cool, and of course the mermaid entrance for the tugboat. We've got some special things going on inside of here. Yeah, can't wait to see it. Not long now. Here is the tugboat. As you can see, we've got some lovely new graphics on the side. We've got some rock work going in as well. It doesn't look like the gates, the metal gates, are going to be used. When you look around towards the station, nothing is there. It looks like it's going to be completely flat. A bit like Griffin's Galleon, to be honest with you. Zoom in and have a look at the lake. Doesn't look far away now. Part of the refurbishment for Penguin Cove is some new fences. You may or may not know, it was only a few years ago a fox got in there, and unfortunately there was fatalities of the penguins. Not long after opening, they did do some other bits and pieces to try and stop it, but as you can see, they're going a little bit further this time in changing everything out. Now the glass isn't back, but yeah, refurbishment is continuing here at Penguin Cove. Do you know where the penguins are?
No.
Trailer King. They're in with the bush dogs.
No, we're not.
So we'll head down the Trailer Kings later and we'll go in and check on the penguins, because I want to go and check on the penguins. But their home is still a little bit further away. Yeah, to be fair, I did think it was a bit closer last time we came, but it does look like there's a lot more work to do here on Penguin Cove before it reopens. So that was the update there from the progress over in Shipwreck Coast, Pirates Cove area, which is going to be opening later this year. As you can see, the rides seem pretty much in place now. A lot of filming going on, a little bit of testing to do, staff training, hopefully be open in the next couple of weeks. So we decided to come up to Wanyama village and come down here. We had heard this was open, but it's not. It's not. We can see work's happened. This has all been sort of cleared off here. We can also see up the top, I don't know if you can see so much on the camera, that a lot of the fencing's been replaced around there as well, but it's not open yet. And funny enough, Kurt, when we look around here, it just looks horrid in here, doesn't it, really?
Yeah, some of it does look rather derelict.
Yeah, it's not a great looking area, and I didn't even realise the meerkats have gone at the moment. It says they're on holiday. They've got a lovely meerkat sort of enclosure where you can also go down, stick your head up tunnel and things. And yeah, it's not open at the moment. It just feels like this area needs gutting. I've got to be honest. They're African goats, Kurt. Yeah, that's right. African pygmy goats. But I feel the whole of this area needs gutting and starting again. The structure has really taken shape since we were last here, and you can sort of see it angling slightly. There's still some metal work out the front. It's still not quite, I have to excuse Vampire there, it's still not quite at full height, but it's not far away. It's certainly bigger than what I thought it would be. Far, far bigger than I thought it would be. When you think you're going to have sort of theming around this, because this is only the internal structure, this is going to be massive. I'll get some more shots for you now. there we have it. There's our update from Chessington World of Adventures. As you can see here, where we finish off, we have got some new signage going around advertising next year and the rest of the events for this year as well. So what have we seen? Well, we managed to get on to Seastorm, which was great. It's great to see it back open and operating at the park. The other rides aren't going to be too far away now, which is good. So that project is coming to an end, whilst this one really starts to pick up pace. As we said, it's going to be sort of August, so really only 5-6 weeks away before we start seeing real vertical construction with track and supports, and we'll see who the manufacturer is as well. And of course they might arrive beforehand and sit in the car park, so we should have an indication quicker exactly what this ride is going to be. For some reason I had a dream last night it was going to be a Tacoma. I don't know why. I don't know why. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. Leave your thoughts below. What do you think this is going to be? What kind of manufacturer do you think is building this wing coaster here at Chessington? Of course, Wanyama Village is still closed off up the top. It's really looking worse for wear in there, to be honest with you. I really hope that's the next project, that and Safari. And of course, the Penguin Cove is undergoing still extensive research, extensive maintenance, and it really does look extensive as well. I think I thought it was close to opening, but I think it's a few weeks away yet too. Lots going on at Chessington World of Adventures. Let us know what you saw that we didn't. Thank you for joining us here today on UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.